Jesus passed by, he saw a man born blind. Jesus healed him, this man received his sight. Jesus, the Anointed One, restores sight to the blind. He was sent to heal the broken-hearted, to set us captives free, to give sight to the blind, to the suffering liberty. He bore our sins in his own body, by his wounds we were healed. The man born blind was brought to the Pharisees for questioning. He said, I know one thing, I was blind but now I see. But they insulted me and they threw him out. Jesus found the man and said, do you believe in the Son of God? He said, who is he, Lord, that I might believe in him? Jesus said, you have seen him. It is he who speaks with you.